Glacier has a nightmare for all the VNC people. Today is the best day. I loved it.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderam 2.0. Good morning everyone from NIM base camp and another beautiful day.
I was gonna come पीछे से and say भाई साहब
Ma'am, I lost the medicine yesterday.
दोनों भीग गई
हाँ,
रात में लेकर आई
रात बहुत मुश्किल हो गया.
ओके
सोने नहीं पाए.
चलो
Yeah.
बंद करो फिर से
It's the medical room and mommy is alone taking care of 79 girls.
The medical room was always buzzing with the new patients coming in every day, each with a different injuries or health issues.
Tisha is the rope leader today. What are you carrying, Tisha?
I'm carrying the common equipment that we get every single day depending if we are going on the glacier or the snow. So this is a snow piton. It is an anchor for snow. You drive it into the snow.
Snow or
And-
ice?
Ice, well ice, yeah, right, sorry. And then you can just put your safety anchor on it or put the rope through it. Or it is basically just a anchor and you can anchor anything on it.
Is it easy to fix or tough?
The first few seconds where you try to stabilize it, it's tough.
Mhm.
But once it's like 1-2 centimeter in, it's quite easy to just drive it in.
Yeah. Who is it? Who is it? You just had breakfast? Hello? She just had breakfast. Oh, mango खाली इसीलिए फिर से ब्रश कर रहे हो? Oh my god. According to age, Tisha is the youngest one. She is the eldest one. But everyone,
she gets the pampering.
she gets the pampering.
Just cause she's
Small.
सब लोग अपनी आई सैक्स रखे हैं. मैम आगे 3 दिन बाद इसका बदले में बेंड करवाऊंगी आपसे.
Yesterday, sir saw my gold chain. Ideally, you're not allowed to keep it in the mountains. So I had to remove. I don't know if I'll be able to save it properly because it's all mess. So I've taken this out. Today again, we have been divided into two groups. We are the odd group to go for the glacier ice craft training. Other group stayed back for Krivas and snow training. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we have started. And it's everybody's nightmare to go to this glacier. It is very far and bags are fully loaded and carrying even a rope today. Reaching to this helmet point itself is challenging.
During glacier training, just reaching the helmet point would drain most of our energy. It always felt like the toughest part of the day.
This is my Everest. Next 30
This is
minutes,
exactly 1 kilometer away from our tent.
I've reached my Everest.
But after crossing Helmet Point, the moraine stretch felt slightly better. It's a long road through rocks and glaciers where we always stayed cautious, maintaining a distance to avoid any risk from rock walls or landslides.
Dokrani Bama Glacier. After that, you need to cross 2 more glaciers to go to our practice glacier. Finally, we have reached.
Today, we took nearly 2 hours to cover just 3 kilometers thanks to tough terrain and a careful movement on the glacier.
Coming to Doklani Glacier is a nightmare for all the BMC people. One more day to go. Being geared up for the activity today. This is a battlefield today. Apple ka rahi hai ladki, ludki. She can survive on fruits on high altitude.
एंगल वगैरह मुझे दिखा तो आज यहीं पे बैंड रहेगा वो इस बॉल पे। पहले बता देता हूँ, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू
There.
tolerate anything on glacier bowl.
I am pretty excited. This is my first time stepping onto real ice.
ओके और लगा थोड़ा।
We practiced techniques to ascend and descend on ice like toe kicking and more.
मार के
The worst part was when our instructor made us hold a plank for 2 to 3 minutes right in the middle of glacier. My god.
मेरा चश्मा फॉग अप हो रखा है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है.
Learning to stand and walk using front points of crampons was actually fun. I could ascend well, but coming down in that position was really tough.
देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि हम है ना ये रखने के बाद पैर ऐसे मारने के बाद इसको ऐसे कर देते हैं,
हाँ,
वहीं पे इसका ट्रिप निकल जाता है फ्रंट पॉइंट का। ये देखो अगर मैंने ये मारा ऐसे खड़ा हो गया इसको तो क्या दिक्कत है कोई दिक्कत।
oh nice she's doing. Oh my god, nice. Punishment. Oh,
I didn't even realize she was being punished like that. I couldn't even imagine myself there. Poor girl.
Okay, listen,
yes sir.
support position के बिना फ्रंट पॉइंटिंग बेकार है। इसी एक्स से
अपने एक से.
नहीं आई एक्स से पीछे वाली एक्स से नहीं। समझ में आया?
yes sir.
इसमें फ्रंट पॉइंट मारेंगे
हाँ,
और एक एक्स होगा हमारा उसको हिट करेंगे,
हाँ.
दूसरे हाथ का हमारा क्या होगा सपोर्ट होगा।
When we practiced the support position, the toughest part was hitting the ice axe hard enough to fix it, and even worse, pulling it out. Most of the time, it just wouldn't come out. I even hit my camera once and it rolled down the slope.
this time we are having a the tastiest apple. After so much of hard work, today is the best day. I loved it. क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ?
It It's raining heavily, but still we had to attend our lectures. Today's session was on avalanches.
मैक्सिमम कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? जहाँ पे मिट्टी होगी वहाँ तो मिलेगा नहीं।
स्नो कैसे? स्नो
स्नो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा मिलता है ना, जहाँ पे किसी पॉइंट से ट्रिगर होता है और वहाँ से क्या जाता है, ये नीचे ट्रैवल करते हैं, फिर ये नीचे की तरफ मूव करता है।
We had our games time again. Headed to the ground and enjoyed watching our instructors play some really funny matches.
Coffee because first thing, coffee is gonna get people constipated. They're not gonna poop in the morning, which means they'll have a bad gut health and अगला दिन खराब जाएगा. And ऊपर से coffee is gonna dehydrate people. I don't know how or why they're giving coffee, but I love coffee, so I'm gonna fall into that trap and I'm gonna have coffee.
कॉफी के लिए द हैप्पीनेस
That's the coffee.
क्या देगा आज?
अरे वो हिल्स पे ना कोई एनिमल चल रहा था और हम नीचे से कहते ये कुत्ते वहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं ब्लू शीप. बट मैम ने फिर बताया कि बेटा वो ब्लू शीप है, गधों, वो कुत्ते नहीं है.
डैड नाइस. कॉल नहीं उठाया.
नहीं उठाया तो भाई मैं क्या करूँ?
दूसरे नंबर पे
मैं नीचे जाके थोड़ी देर बताऊंगा, फोन कर रही जल्दी से उठा लो.
How many minutes you can talk?
5 minutes maximum.
Ma'am is a physiotherapist expert. Ma'am, now we are going to canteen. Come.
But I will be having to take my patients.
Oh, canteen.
Look at the view, guys.
You just have to write in this book and they'll collect the money from NEM campus.
I can survive and I can scale DKD too.
We had some tasty food in the canteen today, then studied till lights of time to prepare for upcoming written exam. That's all about today. I will see you in the next video again. Thank you once again for watching till the end. Bye.